Hello and welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in and clicking on this video. Today we are at 454 Center Street, which is in the heart of Oshawa. It's very close to the 401, so it's really good for commuting. You're not too far from the GO station as well at Thornton Road. So it is convenient. Great location for that. The condo itself is located close to different trails, lots of green space, and you can just kind of tell by all of the trees that are around. There is, tons of green space and then playgrounds as well for kids. So it's just a good condo location for that. It is almost 2,000 square feet. It's a 4-bedroom condo. So it is something that is kind of rare. You don't see a ton of it. So let's just get into it. My name is Brad Gates and I'll be touring it for you today. If you are looking to move here, all you have to do is reach out and I'd be more than happy to help with your move or your relocation. So let's just get into it now and we'll go see this almost 2,000 square foot 4-bedroom condo in the heart of Oshawa. Okay, we are back. So you walk in and you have this big open area kind of straight ahead, which could be like as a sitting area. And then you have a powder room here as well with all of these closets. So you do have lots of closet space as well, which is nice to have storage. Hello. So yeah, this is the powder room. So it's just a 2-piece. It has a toilet and a sink. And considering the size of the actual condo and the actual property tax being at $2,500 per year, it's definitely something that kind of could balance itself out with that when you factor in the low property tax and then all-inclusive utilities. So back to the tour. This here is the large living area. It's an absolute massive space, tons of windows. So you have lots of light. It is a main floor condo, so it's kind of good too. You have this huge balcony also. And then this is the dining area. You could put a massive set here to accommodate a lot of people. And so this is the balcony. It's just nice. You can have a little bit of flowers kind of going on. Tons of sun. I'm filming this at around like 10:30 in the morning, and yeah, lots of bright light, lots of sun, and it's a massive patio. Just to kind of see how big it is. Go back in. It's a little toasty out here. Filming during a heat wave. And then we have the kitchen area. So you have a little bit of storage here. You have a fridge cutout, so the fridge can go into there. You have a stove, microwave above the stove. Sink, you do have backsplash. It's a laminate countertop. And then the kitchen cabinets itself are a painted finish. And then you have a dishwasher. So you have all the main appliances that you would need. The washer and dryer is actually upstairs. So you do have an in-suite washer and dryer, which is nice to have because not all condos give you that. You have to have a communal kind of laundry room. So we'll go check out the laundry room upstairs. There's a chairlift as well. So if you are interested in a chairlift, it's here for you. Okay. Go up. Then bathrooms right at the top of the stairs. And then you go on that side. You have 2 bedrooms in the laundry room. And then you go on this side. And you have 2 bedrooms here. Okay, so here is bedroom number 1. It's massive. You can have king-size bed, bedroom furniture, kind of everything you would need. And then you have a big closet here as well. It's 8-foot ceilings that you're seeing. And then we have this room, again, good sized bedroom. Overlooks the front. And then you have the closet here as well. And then here's the other bathroom, toilet, sink, and then there is a tub and a shower here as well. If you are enjoying the video, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video too. That would be amazing. Thank you so much. Let's get back into the tour. And then you have like an office area or a nook. You could have as a sitting area also. A linen closet. Yep. You got some storage for your linens. And then just so I don't forget, that's the laundry room. So you do a washer and dryer. It's vented out, so it's kind of perfect for that. And then this is bedroom number 3. Again, it's a good sized bedroom. Like all the bedrooms are good size. This one, it overlooks the green space there that you're seeing. So you just got like just lots of green, which is just nice to be able to wake up to. And then, yeah, you got a closet in this bedroom as well. And then bedroom number 4. So as you can see, like all the bedrooms were a great size. And yeah, when you're looking for a condo, it's 4 bedrooms. A lot of the time they're smaller bedrooms, where these are really big bedrooms. So let's go, I can show you the locker, because the unit does have a locker and it has a parking spot. So I can go and show you those things so you can get the full picture of what this condo and the building is all about. Yeah, so you got kitchen, dining area, and then like a living room over there. And it's just a really good size. Let's go, we will check out the other items. Okay, so it's parking spot number 40, which is right there. Yeah, so normal spot, nothing special, but it's a parking spot. Not all units do get it. That's kind of a good thing. The laundry room, so if you had to do more laundry than what you have in the unit, you could come down here as well, but you don't need to. Okay, so this is the locker area. And then the locker that belongs to the unit we're touring today is right here. So that's kind of like a locker. So it gives you a good amount of extra storage. Let's go back to the unit, do a quick little shutdown there, and then we're good to go. Well, that was the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to like, comment if you have any questions, share it with your friends if you know people who are looking to move to the Durham region. I would definitely appreciate that. A huge percentage of people who actually watch these videos do not subscribe. So if you could subscribe, I would definitely appreciate that. It's a free way to show, I guess, your appreciation for the videos that I do put out there. But again, so yeah, I'd really appreciate that. My name is Brad Gates and I've been licensed in real estate for 10 years now. So if you are looking at purchasing or selling within the Durham region, all you have to do is call, text, email, send the carrier pigeon, whatever is easiest. And I'm just here to make everything go so much easier for you. Let me know how the video was, and until next time.